Hi, I'm Jennifer from Adult Services at the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Spring is coming, I promise. So I'm here today to share with you some new-ish gardening books that will stoke your enthusiasm for the warmer weather and the growing season ahead. First of all, you can ease into the gardening season with a fresh mindset from The 5-Minute Garden by Laetitia Maklouf. In this book, she goes through the entire year, month by month, and suggests many different gardening tasks you can do when you have a short window of opportunity. This can include sprucing up the garden with a bit of weeding, or repotting, pruning plants that need a bit of tidying, planting, fertilizing, mulching, harvesting, you name it. She covers houseplants and container gardens, as well as larger garden beds, and even gives advice for interacting with the wildlife in your garden, whether it's the birds and bees you want to encourage or the aphids and other pests you want to discourage. It's not a lengthy book, so don't expect it to be comprehensive, but it's a good read at any time of year to give you ideas on how to make the most of the season you're in, without letting the garden take all of your time. If you want to make this year's garden a little more environmentally friendly, you'll want to check out the Midwest Native Plant Primer by Branhagen. The book explains why using plants native to your geographic area is so important. A quick take: they're generally low maintenance and support the local ecosystem, especially local pollinators. And it gives you tips for selecting appropriate native plants for the different microclimates of your garden. The book then offers a colorful selection of plants, from trees and shrubs to ground covers, vines, and perennials, with information about whether the plant prefers wet or dry soil, sun or shade, as well as how the plant grows and spreads. You might want to pick up the book just for all the gorgeous color photos, but you can also find good ideas for creating different garden styles, from a prairie landscape to an edible landscape, using some of these plants. Finally, if you garden in order to grow nutritious food, you might want to pick up Grow Yourself Healthy with Beth. The book reviews some of the science behind how and why the nutritional value of fruit and vegetables can vary with how they are grown, and how the way our bodies digest our food can be boosted through our gardening and food preparation techniques. The book then explores the different families of fruits and vegetables, looking at the health benefits of each and how best to grow them to get the most nutritional value from them. The author also covers herbs, superfoods, and edible flowers. She gives some colorful suggestions for arranging your garden space, and she wraps up the book with ferment recipes that turn that fresh produce into gut-healing food like kimchi, pickles, and even a rhubarb kombucha. All of these books are here in the collection at Worcester, so if you're interested in reading them, call us to request them. Happy reading!